What's going on, guys? Mixed here, back again for another cocktail video. And today's cocktail, guys, like I said last time, is the Smuggler's Cove Hurricane. Because this cocktail recipe dates back to the Prohibition era, which is the late 20s to 1930s. Because with this, it gets its name from a famous tiki bar in San Francisco called Smuggler's Cove. Because and the history behind it is, black rum, which was quite accessible back then, made a great base for a punch. That's a great base to drink, and black rum was. With black rum, it's a great base to make any cocktail drink, especially for a punch like the Hurricane's cocktail. And this is the Smuggler's Cove Hurricane, so I will show you guys how to make the version of it. So it's a 3-ingredient combo, the Smuggler's Cove Hurricane. So it's 4 ounces, which is 120ml of black rum, 2 ounces, 60ml of pressure squeezed lemon juice, and 2 ounces, 60ml of passion fruit syrup. I've treated a little bit here. It's got a hurricane glass filled with cracked ice. That I will put to one side. Now let's make the Smuggler's Hurricane. Let's get straight into it. So get your tin shaker and put in 5 to 6 ice cubes and 12 ounces of 360ml of cracked ice. It's a lot of ice for this one. So the first ingredient to the shaker, guys, is 4 ounces or 120ml of Kraken black rum. But it doesn't have to be Kraken, it can be any old black rum. Next into the shaker, guys, is 2 ounces or 60ml of pressure squeezed lemon juice. Last but not least, 60ml or 2 ounces of passion fruit syrup. So put your lid on and give it a very hard shake for about 10 seconds, get nice and chilled. So now get your hurricane glass filled with cracked ice and strain into it. So the final thing to do now is garnish it with a lemon slice. There we go. And garnish it with a nice umbrella. Because it is classed as a tiki recipe, this one, the Smuggler's Cove Hurricane. And there we go, one Smuggler's Cove Hurricane, simple as that. So we're going to get a nice straw to break through the cracked ice. There we go. Now, how does it compare to the famous hurricane recipe? Oh, it's absolutely delicious, that. Beautiful. It's tiki, it's boozy, it's nice, and a whole lot of rum in it. That is absolutely beautiful. I'd give it a 9.5 out of 10. I'm absolutely loving this recipe from Smuggler's Cove. Absolutely nailed it. But the only thing missing from this was probably a touch of grenadine. I think I'd touch it. Because I add a teaspoon of grenadine to this, I think it'd be absolutely perfect. But then again, it'd just be a normal hurricane. But I think, to me, a little bit of grenadine in that, and that'd be absolutely nailed on. But that's nothing against the Smuggler's Cove Hurricane. It's an absolutely beautiful tiki cocktail. And if you like your history on famous drinks like this, because it dates back to 1930s, I think. Because I know it's from the Prohibition era, which is why there's a lot of black rum in it. But that's absolutely beautiful. Like I said, don't think I'd add to it, be a little bit of grenadine dating back, but it's quite simple. It's quite easy to make. And that, guys, is how you make a Smuggler's Cove Hurricane. Because it's absolutely beautiful, and I certainly recommend it if you love your tiki history or your tiki cocktails. Because it's absolutely must try it. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. But like, guys, it's been the Smuggler's Cove Hurricane. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Mix It for more cocktails like this. So I really do like my drinks history dating back as well, especially the Prohibition era as well. Because I love to learn history like that about the drinks as well. Love to learn more and always educate myself on this as well. But I've been Mixed, and I will see you guys, for my next cocktail video. Cheers.